just did some stretches, some leg stretches, and we're gonna make breakfast. And then I think I'm gonna go to the gym. I wanna work out a little bit. Maybe I will run. I don't know. Depends if it's too hot already. And then I have a haul for you from yesterday. And then I'm gonna work, I think. It's a bit sad because it's very sunny today, but I need to work. So let's do it. I did some shopping yesterday, so I wanted to show you what I got because I found again so many cute stuff, this time at a mall called Ceiling in Aalborg, and yeah, I'm gonna show you quickly what I got. Sorry for the lighting because it's so gloomy outside, but yeah, I hope you will see something. So first I got this for €6, and it's like an XL t-shirt that is way too big, but I bought it to work out because it's so stretchy, so soft and flowy, and it's so freaking hot at the gym these days, and every time I'm like too hot, but I don't want to be in like just my workout bra, so yeah, I thought it was a very good shirt, like to still not be too hot and be cute. So yeah, it's way too big, but that's what I love about it. And I did a knot in the back. Yeah, it's very cute, very flowy, and so comfortable and soft. So I'm quite happy about it. And yeah. Okay, so that's all that I got. It's a lot of stuff, I know, but everything was like with a huge sales, so it was very worth it. And yeah, so I got some stuff from Boy Studio, which is one of my favorite shops in Denmark, and I'm gonna be so sad I will not be able to shop in France with them, so that's why I went big with them yesterday. Yeah, this is from Mush Mush, I think. I will show you. And this one is from Neo Noir. And I got some shoes, which I'm so excited about. So